Version 3.1 of Bonga is out and live, and we are focusing today the new additions for leave management and shift management. So both additions coming in to help streamline people operations or people management, customer support flow management, basically helping organizations to try and improve their productivity levels or manage productivity levels. For this specific video, let's quickly jump into leave management and just focus on the quick additions that have been added in leave management. So one, we've made it in such a way that from an admin perspective, you can be able to create your own custom leave types. Say, for example, you want to create an annual leave as part of a leave type as well. You should be able to create that really quickly, give it a short description, and also be able to specify some or create rules around the annual leave or specific leave type you're creating as well. So, for example, want to create annual leaves, want to specify if the days or the leave days aren't upfront. So, are they given upfront? They specified like, hey, annually you're going to get 12 days as an example, or are those particular annual days going to be paid or unpaid? And is the accumulation done at the end of the year? Is it accumulated to the next year or does it expire? So you can be able to create your own custom rules over the custom leave types that you create, or even if it's an earned leave type where a scenario where someone earns the specific number of days after working for a specific number of days within the organization as well, you should be able to also create rules around the same. And what this means is when you're quickly applying for a leave as a user, it's as quick as a button. Just come here, click there, do a leave request. Say you want an annual leave, leave a comment on why you want an annual leave. Say, for example, son's graduation, and of course, select how many days you want the leave to apply. So the admin on the other end, or from your end as the applicant, the leave applicant, you're able to see which days you have already have ongoing, if you have any. You're also able to see your previous leaves, which were approved and which were rejected and which are still under pending or which have been appealed as well. So you're so able, you get to get a quick look over that. As the admin, you get a quick look over all the leave requests that have been done by the entire team. So as a supervisor, as a manager, as an admin, you get to see all the leaves that have been requested by the entire team, a bit of an analytics or statistics over how that look like. You also get to see now all the applications that have been done. So a list of all the applicants that have come in. So if you want to approve or check on the statuses, is just come here, find any that is pending, click on it, and you're able to see. So you could be able to see all the rules you set. So if X number of agents are on shift or X number of people are at work, and how many do you need minimum and maximum to be at work at a specific day. So of course, these specific rules that have been set can also be used as rules to determine if you're going to approve or reject a leave, so that you're not approving a leave and end up having less people within your workforce to be able to execute a specific task as well. So really, really cool feature to help you be able to ascertain if you have the right amount of people within your workforce, and if the applications that have come in actually can't be approved or would be able to affect your productivity levels within the team as well. So you can easily be able to look at that, see how many days someone has applied for against how many days they actually have as their leave balances, and also use this as a way to make informed decision if you need to approve or reject a leave. You'll notice for already approved leave, you can actually choose to reject back. So come back and reject for one reason or the other, and give the person, the leave applicant, a reason why you've done the rejection again. And for those that you need to already ongoing and you need to recall them early, you can actually also choose to recall them early as well. So that's a quick update of some of the cool features we've added under leave management. But you'll also notice when you click on dashboard side, you should be able to also see a bit of analytics over all the agents you have on shift. So all the agents you have, how many you have on shift and how many are on leave, and get to also see a list of everyone else in terms of the shifts, which shift they're in. And when you click on a specific agent name or a specific employee name, you're able to get a bit of analytics over them, the names, what shift they belong to, if they're on leave or not, and also be able to see leave types and all leave days they are.